me just record our. Okay, let's start our lesson. Are you ready for our lesson? Yes or no? Are you ready? Can you say, yes, I'm ready, teacher? Can I hear
Con
from
lắng
you?
nghe cô nói.
Yes, I'm ready, teacher. Can you say that?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So, okay, let me share my screen and let's practice. Okay. Can you see my screen now, Min? Can you see my screen? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So we are going to have speaking practice. Okay. All right. Let's read number one. Okay. Can you say, how many armchairs are there? Okay. Just
There
read. Okay.
are
There are.
four armchairs.
Okay. Very, very good. Can you say armchairs with S? There are four armchairs. Can you say it?
There are four armchairs.
Okay, very good. How about number two? Okay, let's see for number two. Where is the girl? Where
There,
is the girl?
there is one girl.
Oh, okay. This one talks about where. All right, meaning where. Where is the girl? She is in or she is on.
She is one girl.
Okay, there is one girl. But this one talks about where. Where? Find the
Is
girl.
on the map.
Okay, very good. She's on the mat. Okay, very good. How about number three? What is the girl doing? What is the girl doing?
The girl, the girl is play car.
Okay, can you say the girl is playing a car?
The girl is playing
Sorry. One more time. The girl is playing the red car, right? So you put an adjective there. Can you
the
say
girl
the girl?
play red car.
Okay, all right. So the girl is playing the red car. Okay. How about number four? Where are the pictures? Where are the pictures?
Here are two pictures.
Okay, there are two pictures, but where? Where can you find the pictures? Where?
Picture is
The pictures are.
on the picture is next to a lamp.
Okay, the picture is next to a lamp. Okay, but there are two pictures, right?
The
One,
picture
two. Okay. The pictures are where? What's this?
the picture is next to a bookcase.
Okay, so the picture is next to a bookcase, and another picture is next to a lamp. Okay, or you can say the pictures are on the wall. Okay, can you say it again? The pictures are on
The the
are on the.
eye on the wall.
Okay, very good. Again, the pictures are on the wall.
The picture eye on the wall.
Okay, you say pictures, okay? Because pictures meaning there are two or more, okay? All right. So there's more than one picture. Okay, let's have number five, okay? Let me just erase everything. Okay, number five. Where are the books? Where are the books? Okay, where are the books?
Không phải đến con ở quê mà cô đang ở quê thì lại ở đâu mà
The
con lắng
it
nghe cô hỏi chứ có phải how many đâu.
Okay, yeah, not how many,
are
where?
it
Mm-hmm.
in the bookcase.
Okay, very good. So you can say they're in the bookcase.
They are
Um,
in the bookcase.
Okay, there because there are actually many, there are many books, okay, in the bookcase. They're in the bookcase. All right. Okay. Let me just write it down also here for the pictures. The pictures, okay, are are on the wall. Okay? All right, let's have next one right here for number 6. Where? Where? Okay? Okay. Where is the boy? Where is the boy?
Where is one boy?
Yeah, yeah, there is one boy. That's how many boys, okay? This time, where? Where? Where can you find
Boy,
the boy?
the boy is next to a table.
Okay, the boy is next to a table, okay? All right, that's also good. Okay, the boy is okay, next. All right, what is the boy doing here? What is he
The boy,
doing?
the boy is painting picture.
Okay, the boy is painting a picture. Okay, the boy is next to the okay, he is painting a picture, but he's also what? He is sitting on a
The
he is
armchair
sitting on a okay,
brown high.
okay. Is he standing up or sitting down? He is sitting on a what? Okay. Oh, what is this? He is sitting on a what do you call this in English? He is sitting on a
Easy sit down on the
on
sofa.
on a sofa. Okay, very good. You've got it. Okay, good job, Min. All right, let's have next one. Okay, number 7. Okay, already done. What color? So, number 8. Let's have number 8, okay? What color is the lamp? Okay, let's look at the lamp. What color is the lamp?
Is white.
Okay, the lamp. Kindly complete the sentence, please. The lamp is white.
The lamp is white.
Okay, good job. All right, let's have another question. Okay, let's see what we can see in the picture, right? Okay, the question number 1 is, how many children are playing football? How many children are playing football?
Yeah. Three children.
Okay, there are 3 children, okay, playing.
But there are three children playing football.
Okay, very good. There are 3 children playing football. Okay, let's have child, child 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 children. Okay, very good. How about next one? Now, where? Say where? Where is the dog?
Where is one dog?
Oh, it's not how many. You say where you find it. Okay?
Is next
Yes.
to a boy.
Okay, it's next to a boy. Okay, very good. You've got it. All right, when you say where, can you say where? All right. Can you also copy teacher's action? Where? Can you say it, Min? Where? All right. Can I have it from Min? Can you say where? All right. So you say where, okay? How about number, okay, 3. All right. When I say, where are the flowers? Where are the flowers, Min? The
Dạ,
flowers are
ở đằng trước là chim này.
where? Mhm.
Is
Mm.
Ừ.
it behind the tree?
Behind. Okay. When you say behind, it's right from here. Okay. But this time it is, you say under. Okay. So it's under this is the tree and this is, okay. It's under can you say the flowers are under,
The it under
are. Can you say are? Because flowers meaning many. Okay. Can you say the flowers are under the tree. Okay, again, Min, where are the flowers?
Con lắng nghe cô. Lắng nghe cô nói về cái
Okay, say it
lời.
again. The
the
flowers are,
the flower I under the tree.
okay, you say under, it means, yeah, underneath this big tree right here. Okay. All right. So let's have number 4. Okay. Number 4. Let's see. Who is flying the kite? Who is flying the kite?
The girl is flying a kite.
Okay, great job. Amazing. Okay. How about next one? Okay, let's have next one. Where are the birds? Where? Where are the birds?
There are two birds.
Oh, I did not say how many. I say where. Where are the birds?
The bird is on the boy.
Okay, you say there are 2 birds. You say birds. The birds are
The bird are on the boy.
on the boy. It's actually not on the boy. We say the birds are.
The bird
What
is
are they doing? The birds are. What are the
on
birds doing?
fly.
Flying. Okay, they're flying in the where? What's this? Okay, what do you call this one? Say the birds are flying in the
Yes.
sky.
Sky.
Okay. All right. So again, Kylie say the birds are flying in the sky. Okay? All right. Again, I'd like to ask you, sorry. I'd like to ask you, Min, where are the birds? Where?
The 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 bird is on the boy.
Oh, no, no. This one is the answer here. The birds are flying. Okay? So it
The
should be
bird
correct.
the bird is flying
In the
in the
sky.
sky.
Okay, there are 2 birds, so you have to have S. The birds are flying in the sky. Can you say the
The bird
birds are are
are flying a
in the
sky.
Okay. The birds, can you listen to teacher again? The birds are flying in the sky. Can you say that again, please? Min?
Birds fly, fly,
Are, are.
are flying in the sky.
Okay, are because there are two birds. So you have to use are. Okay? Again, where are the birds? Where are the birds, Min? The birds?
The bird is
Not
on the
is. Okay, you say are.
the bird is on the boy.
Oh, okay. The boy. All right. So this is the answer, Min. Okay. All right. So not on the boy because on the boy it's like on its head. All right. So you have to say this. The birds are flying in the sky. Okay. That's the answer. All right. One more time. Okay. All right. So Min, where are the birds? Where are the birds? The birds are.
The bird are flying in the sky.
Yes. Okay, that's the correct answer. All right, Min. Remember. Okay, take note of this one. Okay, good job, Min. Let's have another question. Okay. Okay, number 6. Is there a red bag in the girl's hand? Is there a red bag in the girl's hand? Okay.
Is
Is there a red bag in the girl's hand? Yes or no?
yes.
Okay, yes. All right. You say, yes, there is.
There is this.
You say, yes, there is.
Yes,
Yes.
there is.
Okay, very good. Complete sentence. All right, so yes, there is a bag in the girl's hand. Okay, let's have, okay, number 7. What is the man with a red t-shirt doing? What is the man with a red t-shirt doing? Okay, let's see the picture. Okay, what is the man in the red t-shirt doing?
The man is fishing. Go fishing.
Okay, all right. So the man is fishing. Okay, you can just say the man is fishing.
The man is fishing.
Okay, very good. The man is fishing. Good job, man. All right. Let's have next one. Okay, let's have the next one here. All right. Okay, we'll have another picture. Okay. Number 1, look at the picture. What color are the dog's ear? What color are the dog's ear?
It uh, is
You say there.
there
What
is
color are the dog's ears? There. What color?
there are
What color is this?
is black.
Okay, it's black. Or you can say they're black. Can you say it? They're black.
There
All right, again, what color are the dog's ears? They're
black.
They're black. Okay, very good. All right, how about number 2? Is the cat, look at the cat here, all right? Is the cat sleeping on the floor? Is the cat sleeping on the floor? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes? Is the cat
N-
sleeping on the floor?
No.
Okay, you say, no, it isn't. You say, no, it isn't. All right. Can you say, no, it isn't?
No, it isn't.
Okay. So where is the cat sleeping then? Where is the cat sleeping?
The cat is sleeping on the sofa.
Yes, good job, Lynn. You've got it. All right. Next one, number three. Okay, number three. What is the
Yeah.
girl doing? Okay, look at the girl.
The
What is the girl
play
doing?
computer.
Okay, so she is playing computer games. Can you say? She's playing computer games.
She playing computer game.
Okay, can you say she is playing computer games? Right. Again, what
She,
is the girl doing? She is.
she is on the armchair.
Okay, she is sitting on the armchair. All right. That's also good. Oh, this is actually she's sitting on the chair. She's playing computer. Okay, your first answer. Okay, this one. Just read it again. Okay, what is the girl doing?
She is playing computer games.
Okay, amazing. All right. How about number four? Is the girl sitting between the sofa and the computer? Is the girl sitting between the sofa and the computer? Yes or no?
No, it's in.
Okay, you say no, she isn't.
No, she isn't.
Okay, all right. Good job. All right. So, how about number five? What is the dog doing? Okay, what is the dog doing in the picture? Let me just. Okay, what is the dog doing?
The dog doing
Say the
it.
dog is. Okay, say the
Is
dog is.
the dog is uh, eating the water.
Eating or drinking? Okay, the dog is
Is
drinking
drinking
some.
what some me some water.
Okay, all right. Again, what is the dog doing in the picture?
The dog
The dog is.
is
Okay, again, what is the dog doing? Say the dog
the dog
is
drink,
drinking.
drinking some water.
Okay, the dog is drinking some water. All right, good job. Okay, let's have number six. Okay, let me just delete this one, okay? Number six. How many animals are there in the picture? How many animals are there in the picture?
Yeah, three animal.
Okay, so there are three animals with S, okay? Again, how many animals can you see in the picture?
Three, there are three, three animals.
Okay, very good. Okay, there are three animals. All right. How about number seven? Where is the pillow? What color is it? Where is the pillow and what color is it?
Is there is zero.
Okay, where? Where is the pillow? Okay, the pillow is yellow. And where is
Pillow.
the pillow? The
The
pillow?
pillow is next to a cat.
Okay, the pillow is next to a cat, or the pillow is next to the cat. Okay. All right. Good job. And the pillow is yellow, a bit yellow and orange, right? Yellow orange. Okay. All right. Good job, man. All right. We still have, okay, another picture. Okay. Look at the picture here. Okay. Number one. How many children are swimming in the sea? How many children are swimming in the sea?
It,
Okay, there
uh,
are,
there are two children.
okay, there are two children swimming in the sea. Okay, you have one, two. Very good. All right, last one. Okay, for a last question, number two. Are the girls, okay, look at the girls. Are the girls playing with a ball? Are the girls playing with the ball? Yes or no? Okay, look at this. Are they girls?
Mm, no, it's in.
Okay, you say,
In.
no, they aren't.
No,
Say, no, they aren't.
no, it orange.
Okay, say, no, they aren't.
No, they are orange.
Okay, so are these boys or girls? Boys or
Boy.
boys? Okay, so they're boys. All right, thank you so much. Okay, Min, I'll say goodbye to you. We'll see you next time around. Goodbye, Min. Thank you so much. See you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.